Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the UK, and today I'm taking part in the Project Share blog hop with my lovely friends Jill, Gez and Verity. We normally share each other's projects on a Thursday, and on the first Saturday of every month we make a brand new project to share with each other and all of you, and you can hop between our 4 blogs. Our theme for this month is to use our retiring favourites. I am devastated that pierced bloom dies are being retired. I absolutely love them. You get 25 dies in this set. I've actually got some set aside here that I will be using. And they are so versatile. You can layer them up in so many ways. So actually I've got quite a few layers on this card here. And the other dies that I have used are the Stitched So Sweetly dies. I've used the rectangular ones there, and I've got one of them out to use again. So that was a card that I made for the blog, so I'm going to make another one to show you how I did that, and I'm going to change the colours up. This time I am going to use Just Jade for the leaves and Bumblebee, because these are two of the retiring in colours as well. So I've got my card base, which is 14.5 centimetres by 21 centimetres, scored and folded in the middle at 10.5 centimetres, and I've already die cut the white Stitch So Sweetly rectangle to put the flower on, but I do need to do the larger one on this piece of Bumblebee card, and let's see which flowers I can squeeze in here to die cut as well. Actually, if I did one of those, so I want 2 of those. Okay, so I'm gonna just bring in my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, because this will just fit through, I think. I hope. Oh yeah, perfect. So do that one and do these two at the same time. Make sure you've got it fully on that.